The entire stadium fell silent. Only the goalkeeper stood between 16-year-old Ethan and the winning goal. Thousands of fans in the stadium, and millions more watching across the United States, Canada, and Mexico, held their breath. Everyone expected him to shoot. But what Ethan did next left the entire football world speechless. Just a few months earlier, Ethan was an ordinary teenager from a small town in Texas. His biggest dream was to play in the youth tournament held during the World Cup. After years of sacrifice, his team finally reached the championship match against the strongest academy from Mexico. The score was tied 2-2. Only 30 seconds remained. Then disaster struck. Ethan's best friend and team captain, Daniel, collapsed after twisting his ankle. He could barely stand. The crowd believed the match was heading for penalties. Suddenly, Ethan intercepted the ball and sprinted toward the goal. One defender, then another, then another. Within seconds, only the goalkeeper stood in his way. The commentators were already screaming, "This is the winning goal." Ethan raised his foot. The entire stadium stood up. But instead of shooting, he passed the ball backward. For a moment, nobody understood what had happened. Fans froze. The goalkeeper froze. Even the commentators stopped talking. Why would anyone give up the easiest winning goal of their life? Then everyone saw it. Daniel, despite his injured ankle, was limping into the penalty box. With tears in his eyes, refusing to give up on his team. Without thinking twice, Ethan trusted his friend. Daniel reached the ball. One touch is goal! The stadium exploded with cheers. Fans from the United States, Canada, and Mexico celebrated together. Strangers hugged each other. The moment became bigger than football itself. After the match, reporters rushed toward Ethan. "You could have been the hero. Why didn't you score the goal yourself?" Ethan smiled and quietly replied, "A goal makes headlines for one day, but trust creates teammates for a lifetime." His answer went viral around the world. Weeks later, professional scouts announced something surprising. "We signed him because under the greatest pressure, he chose the team over himself." That single pass changed his life forever. Because football isn't just about scoring goals. It's about believing in the people beside you. Remember, the greatest players don't always take the final shot. Sometimes they make the pass that changes someone else's life. Heart, team first, always.